एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक वंस अगेन। मेरी टीम पहुंच गई है। जैसे कि आपको पता है कि हम कृपा टीम ट्रिप पे आए हैं रसूल खेमा एंड अलमरजान एक्सप्लोर करने, क्योंकि मेरी टीम में से कई लोग ऐसे हैं जो दुबई में रिसेंटली मूव हुए हैं 6 महीने से 1 साल पहले तक, और दे नेवर बिन टू रसूल खेमा जहाँ पे कसिनो आ रहा है। तो मैंने जैसे कि भाई प्रीवियस ब्लॉग में आपको दिखाया है कि हम सिनी आइलैंड पे गए थे। वो सिनी आइलैंड के ऊपर नहीं गए थे, बट दूर से हमने एक्सप्लोर किया था। वहाँ पे रिजॉर्ट है, वहाँ पे हमने ब्रेकफास्ट किया था। अगर आपने वो ब्लॉग नहीं देखा तो आप जाके वापस देख लें। और अभी हम पहुँच गए हैं अलमरजान आइलैंड के ऊपर। अब मैं आपको दूंगी पूरे अलमरजान आइलैंड का टूर, और कसिनो का टूर भी देंगे, और आपको पूरे आइलैंड की इन्फॉर्मेशन देंगे कि कौन से प्रोजेक्ट्स आ रहे हैं, कब हैंड ओवर हो रहे हैं, कौन से डेवलपर है यहाँ पे। कसिनो के बारे में आपको बहुत कुछ बताएंगे। एंड उससे पहले वी वांना प्ले सम गेम्स, वी वांना हैव सम फन। तो हम अभी लंच करने बैठेंगे। लंच करने के बाद हम कुछ गेम्स प्ले करेंगे एज अ टीम। उसके बाद फिर हमको टूर दे। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड, कीप वाचिंग दिस व्लॉग।
Okay, guys, today we're gonna play charades. Charades, dumb charades, but we're calling it Kirpa charades. Because in this box we have names of people in the team. Everybody's names are in there. So if you get the name, or you have to act like the person. You get? And secondly, there's objects or things that we deal with on a daily basis in real estate. Right? So those kind of things are there too. You'll understand once you see it. Okay? You have to act it out. You cannot speak. You cannot point to any person. Okay? Saying that if let's say I get Kamal, I can't say her, right? Yeah. You have to act like the person, or you have to act like the thing, right? And then make everybody guess. We'll put a timer on it. Okay? So we'll have, let's say, 2 minutes. 2 minutes is enough.
2 minutes is too much.
1 minute?
1 minute.
1 minute. So I will have the stopwatch, and I'll put it for 1 minute. If we can't guess in 1 minute, we'll move on to the next person. There's no points, there's no teams. It's just fun. That's it. No, I'm not talking though now. I'm done.
He explained it.
Mil gaya? Just put it under the bowl. Just put it under the bowl.
Okay.
Me. Saloni.
Kick. Kick back.
थोड़ा इजी था ये तो।
15 seconds.
ये समझा नहीं।
ओके साहिल,
15 seconds यार।
साहिल, but why did you say me?
मैं पहले बोल रही थी उनसे एजेंट और फिर पूरा करना थे तो नीदर जस्ट किक एंड बैक। ये बोलना कि आई गॉट अ किक बैक यस्टरडे।
Okay, Sahil, what is it? Paper?
It's regarding deals or some person
Script. Content.
document.
Point नहीं करना.
A to A.
Format.
That was hard to explain.
Who's next? Come on. Go. चलो जी, रख दो तिच। Okay. What are they on it? Asi?
Team.
किक पा
Team number 1. Top.
Team.
यूनिटी
Unity.
कृपा
Like.
Gathered.
Together.
डील एजेंट बॉस मनप्रीत।
मैंने guess करना सीखा। Oh my God. अच्छा, इसे कौन मैंने guess करना सीखा?
Sir.
Okay, sir.
Sarah Paji.
But this is best for him. He doesn't need to speak.
Oh, you're right.
ਨਹੀਂ ਦੱਸ ਭਾਜੀ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਸਮਝਾਉਂਦੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ। ਓਹੋ ਭਾਈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਪਿਓ ਸਾਨੂੰ।
बोलना नहीं है.
ਪੈਸੇ
Commission.
5 seconds.
सब तो बोलते कमीशन में पौधे तो आप
ये तो 1 सेकंड में भी कैसे हो सकता है?
ट्रू एजेंट भाजी ट्रू एजेंट
1 second which मैं वही कह रही थी 1 सेकंड कैसे सकता था see I told he is best in this without speaking
Okay.
Are you ready?
Bell,
Go.
deal. Bell.
well
Oh, office वाली bell.
Bell. It's a deal. It's not a bell. It's a deal.
ਹੁਣ ਮੈਨੂੰ difficult ਆਣਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ
Nothing is difficult for you.
Oh my god. ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆ
किथे है सुखी
4 seconds.
Supu.
Okay.
All I have to do is this.
stuff
Ready? Go.
Oh.
admin
Sir.
लैपटॉप टाइपिंग
paperwork that off actually it's okay try to split the hair
I'm trying.
laptop
Desk. Office desk.
एजेंट टू एजेंट एजेंट टू
A
एजेंट
to A A to A
Excel.
She is smiling.
Okay, ready and go.
Logo.
Stipa
Camera. Reel. Camera. Reel. Video.
reel
Love
lovely
reel.
lovely
Very good.
ये कंटेंट
Okay.
वो दो चकनी है
कोई खोलेंगे पहले मैं लिख कर रहा हूँ.
Mix करके भी कुछ change नहीं होना है.
Ready? Ready? Go.
साहिल
No.
तो मेरे ही कर रहे हो जी हैं मेरे ही निकले
वो first है, you were next.
Okay. ਹੁਣ ਸੋ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿਖਾਉਣਾ ਲਿਖੋ ਕੇ ਕੋਨ ਹੈ ਹਾਂ ਚਲ ਹੁਣੇ ਰੱਖ ਦੇ ਪਰਚੀ ਰੱਖ
ਇਹਦੀ ਐਕਟਿੰਗ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਬਰਦਸਤ ਬਣੀ
ਦੱਸੋ ਕੋ ਕੀ ਹੈ
ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਥੱਲੇ ਰੱਖ ਦੇ ਨਾ ਹੁਣ ਹੋਲਡ ਕਰਕੇ.
ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਆਦਾ
ਹਾਂ ਬਸ.
ਚਲ ਹੁਣ ਦੱਸ
Ready?
ਬੋਲਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਯਾਦ
Saloni.
जुल्फा
ऐसे नहीं कर दिया गुंजन
वो कब करती है ऐसे? लो जी जय भाई की बारी आ गई हम
Exactly.
देख देख के
मैं गुंजन की एक्टिंग नहीं कर पाती
देख रहे हो
नहीं फंसी हुई है. Oh. Okay. Ready? Timer?
टाइमर 1-2 गिन लेनी है
Okay. Okay. Ready?
लैपटॉप
ए बाजी सब
see you have to check the slip he has made it
So show us the slip.
देख लो.
नहीं स्टाइल ही बड़ा हो गया बस खत्म
do one more
भाजी एक चांस दोबारा लेना पड़ा था सानू मजा ही नहीं आया
एक और चांस
भाजी एक चांस हो सानू मजा ही नहीं आया
सारी खत्म कर दो
Oh. ये थोड़ा औखा है. Ready?
लैपटॉप
Call.
वीडियो कॉल
Zoom call.
ओके
1 2 3 स्टार्ट स्टार्ट पे क्लैप थोड़ी ना कर बोलना है, wait for it.
तो हम फिर ट्रायल पे नहीं नहीं नहीं
चलो ठीक है, फिर से एक बार start.
फाइनल राउंड ओके नाउ
It's a final round, सबको पता लग गया.
Wait the video. It's a key.
नहीं नहीं, but मैं याद
तो गुरुद्वारे पे जाना है चलो
Okay, start.
दिया out. चलो next.
दीदी को तो पेशेंस है ही नहीं मैं अपनी बारी खेल लूंगा
इट्स अ गैप अच्छा फर्स्ट उसकी आवाज आई है
तीन जने बाहर है जी
out you and me
तीन जने बाद.
okay sorry clap
रोक पाई तुझे एक भी नहीं मारी है तक
But there's no rule against not clapping. So
What you are going to do? You like that,
but then is there a rule?
yes.
What's the rule?
We need to clap in 10 seconds. Everyone.
हाँ तो फिर ऐसे बोलो ना.
We just made this rule. Out. Two.
Supreet, yes.
Yes.
I did with you. What?
चलो चलो
18 लाख.
चलो. 1, 2, 3. Yep.
दोनों एक दूसरे वाले चक्कर नहीं मुंह उधर करो दोनों.
हाँ.
उधर मुंह. हाँ.
हाँ कितने बजी नहीं
हाँ बजिया.
बजी कटी बजी हाँ तो कटी हुई साल पर भी ना
Okay, guys, listen up. We are going to enter Al Marjan Island, right? Al Marjan Island is Russell Khema's premier man-made island, similar to what you have in Dubai. You know, Palm Jumeirah, Palm Jebel Ali, same way. It's reclaimed land, as in they built it by themselves. Okay? Al Marjan Island has 4 islands on it, which are connected by bridges. So you will see the bridges in between. And Al Marjan Island was started in 2004, 2005. It was launched and they only made hotels in the beginning. Okay? So now we're at the beginning of the island, the entrance of the island. What we'll do is we will drive through 2 or 3 islands so I can tell you what's already there, right? What's already built. So on the right side, if you look, this is the first hotel. It's called Rixis, right? Rixis Bubble Bar. And it's a 4-star hotel, very famous, and it's been here a long time. So a lot of people know about this hotel already. It's like I said, it's a Turkish brand. They have a lot of branches worldwide, and this is the first hotel you will see. It has about 600 plus rooms, right? And it's always packed. The occupancy here is more than 95%, especially in the peak times. After Rixis, we'll see a project which is owned by Aldar. Aldar is an Abu Dhabi-based developer, private and government owned. As you know, it's the biggest developer in the UAE. And they have launched 2 projects in Al Marjan Island 1.5 years ago, right? There's one that is Nikki Beach Residences, and the other one, Rosso Bay. Rosso Bay Residences. That's what it's called. Rosso Bay and Nikki Beach Residences. Nikki Beach is a hotel brand, so it's branded residences, and Rosso Bay is just a regular brand that Aldar has come up with. So a lot of apartments have been sold here. Price per square foot started from 2,100 and now it's above 3,000 per square foot. If you see any units, it will only be in the resale. So this project, you can see it's already started construction. The excavation is being done, right? And it's going on. So this is the site for Rosso Bay and Nikki Beach Residences by Aldar. This project is called Sora Beach Residences. This has been launched quite some time ago. I've done a podcast with the owner of this development company, and it's a massive, massive project. It's 1,000 feet of beach. So it's the largest beachfront residential project on Marjan Island. Prices here are between 3,300 per square foot and above. And now they will be launching again the project. They will be launching officially this month. So you will see a lot of activity on this site. You can see they've already started the work, right? And because I know the owner, he has told me that within the next 6 months, they will be on the ground floor. So that's why investing here is a good idea, right? Now we're almost at the site. We can't go any further into the island because this is a construction heavy area. So we'll try to stop over here on the right side, and we'll show you the site of the construction site for the Wynn Casino and Resort. Okay, so we'll step out of the bus and we'll try to show you. So again, the total site that they have given in terms of land is 115 acres. And the built up area for the entire resort and casino and everything around it is 5.6 million square feet, right? That means it's a very, very big project. The total cost for this development is almost $4 billion, right? And that's a massive investment that the government of Ras Al Khaimah is doing. Plus, Wynn Resorts is also putting in the money. Wynn Resorts has a 40% equity stake. That means they own 40% of the casino and resort, and the government owns 60%. So because of that, you know that there's serious people involved. They will get the job done. Completion, by the way, is slated for Q1 2027. How far are we from there? 1.5 years, right? So we're very close to this finishing. Once it's finished, the land prices and development rates will go through the roof.
True, I agree. Lot of people fail to understand the vision क्योंकि जब Palm Jumeirah बन रहा था, Burj Khalifa बन रहा था, everybody doubted. People thought like, oh, it's not going to work out. It's just a hype, nothing else. And same चीज I think casino के बारे में बहुत सारे लोग सोच रहे हैं. But we live here, you guys are here today, and you can see the actual construction happening. And trust me, you guys seen my video, right? मैं 2 महीने पहले, पता नहीं 1.5 महीने पहले आई थी. I think 40th floor पे थी construction, and और ऊपर चली गई है, and glass work भी शुरू हो गया है. And I think it's gonna be ready before the due date, जो कि 2027 जनवरी 2027 में हैंड ओवर होना है casino का. But मुझे लग रहा है उससे पहले ये काम खत्म कर देंगे. पहले क्या था ना, 2-3 महीने पहले तक you could actually enter the island और वहाँ से अब यू टर्न ले सकते थे. बट अब ये लोगों ने बंद कर दिया यहाँ से, क्योंकि आई थिंक एग्जीबिशन हॉल्स वगैरह भी बन रही है यहाँ पे. यहाँ पे सिर्फ कसिनो और होटल नहीं है, एग्जीबिशन हॉल्स, मॉल, रिटेल शॉप्स, बीच क्लब्स, रेस्टोरेंट्स, कैफेज, एवरीथिंग. बेसिकली एक मिनी सिटी बना रहे हैं ऑन अ थर्ड आइलैंड.
And one of the other projects, marquee projects of this island, is a project by Dubai Investments. Dubai Investments is a very large company. They own many development companies. They own other companies as well. And they had launched this project 2 years ago, 2.5, 3 years ago, right? And now you can see it's close to completion as well. So if you have investors who want something close to ready on Marjan Island and start generating some return on it, this is the perfect project. It has townhouses as well as residential apartments and villas on the beach. So yeah, that's pretty much the story of this island, View Island. There's a lot of plots, by the way, plots of land that are not developed. You can see everything is empty in the central part of this island. So this is where the rest of the residential apartments will come. Okay, so for you guys who think, okay, I may have money saved up in the next year or so, this is the island where you will invest if you want to invest. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. Thank you for the tour.